when you pray in the evenings. Watch you sing in church on a Sunday morning. Yeah. Been finding your strength in the waiting. Been fighting, girl, and you're overcoming. You're overcoming. And I'm gonna be by your side through.
Hey guys, so I am fully dressed and ready to head out. Oh, by the way, welcome to a new vlog. So we are heading, it's a Sunday, so happy Sunday to you as well. So we are heading to Jangas. They're just having this every now and I don't know what it's called, y'all, but food inclusive, you know, it's a finger food and you buy drinks and whatever. So I'm gonna head there with my friends. I'm going to be taking taxi there. My ride has left me because they were supposed to be ready at 6:30. No, it's 6:45. I was like, go ahead, don't wait on me. The girl will take a taxi. We can't, you know, our car is not up to date, so we can't use our car at the moment. So we're going to be taking taxi again. The other day I took taxi to the event. We're taking taxi again. The girl is back to taxi, which, you know what, I don't mind. I don't have to be driving. But yeah, I'm gonna get into the fit and show you guys, and then we are gonna head out. Let's go. The desk is such a mess though, like, guys, you see, this is most of the time when we do makeup, the desk is super bad. Alright guys, so let's get into the fits. Cute. Oh, let's get into the makeup, y'all. Let's get into the makeup. Yeah, it's looking nice. The hair, not so good. We're gonna take it out very soon because it's like it's not like one of those expensive bundles. It won't last long. Anyway, we're wearing this cute fashion over there. I don't know if I did a haul, but y'all, this dress, if you really want a dress to suck on y'all and to keep, listen, this dress, yeah, this dress is giving very tight fitted, and we're wearing our wedge because it's a type of event, you know, they say New Year chic, so we're gonna get into the heels. Yeah, cute fit. You know what I need, want you to be at the place.
Racks and racks, money danger me. Upsy talks in a frequency. I took off when you want me. Running it up with the urgency. Streets to the wild danger me. From the wall to the window seat and the sun to the storm.
Hey guys, so we're actually heading home. We stopped at Ribby's for a while. The party at Janga's was pretty good, so we stopped at Ribby's and we're gonna head home. I will see you guys when I'm at home. Hey guys, so we are home. It is 12:40 something in the morning. After we left Janga's, we went to Ribby's like I told y'all. We just stayed here like for a few. I think around 40 minutes we stayed there. Like I told you, I have no work tomorrow, so that's I have outside tonight on a Sunday night. But even if, that's a lie, because if I went to Souls, I would be home at this hour too, like 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Yeah. But with Ribby's is the club, if you guys don't know, and they do have Big People Sundays. That's what it's called? I think so. But when you go to Ribby's on a Sunday night, girls, boys, men, gents, big people, if you want to see big people party, if you want to see big people let loose, go to Ribby's on a Sunday night. I told y'all, go to Ribby's on a Sunday night if you want to see the big people that work out. It is a vibe. Y'all should know when you're, certain age group, they know how to have fun. They're gonna let their hair down and know to have fun. And Ribby's is the place to go to see that. Anyways, we're gonna be pulling down our makeup, doing like a skincare, and then we're gonna turn on Netflix until we go to bed. I have a few days off, like I told y'all. I didn't take no vacation at all in 2025. I didn't go on any trips. I didn't go to any hotels. So 2025 was like a relaxing type of year. So with my couple of days off that I am going to enjoy to the full. Tomorrow I definitely have to go on the road. Oops, I told y'all that I did. I hope y'all didn't see that. I told y'all I did a little big purchase type of vibe, so I'm gonna have to get that tomorrow, and then you guys will see that in like a whole nother vlog. But anyways, let's put on our makeup and then we'll get to bed. We'll catch up. Yeah. And by the way, my outfit, this was what dress eats. Like, dress eats. I do need to wash my hair. How long have I had this hair in? I don't know. It's a week before Christmas. So yeah. It's going on to 3 weeks now. I do need to wash my hair. I did wash the layout part, but yeah, and I want to change this hair too. So probably in the next 2 weeks, we're gonna figure out a new hairstyle. I'm definitely gonna go back. Sorry, that was a message. I'm definitely gonna go back with my straight hair. But yeah, all right. I'll be back. Let's get into the skincare business.
Thought my ex bitch was bad, but she fine now. Oh yeah.